again. I'm going to share with you something about chicken eggs that you might not know about if you're just now starting to raise your own chickens. So let's take a look at a couple eggs that I got today. This is actually an extra large egg that I got today. It's a nice looking chicken egg, nothing wrong with it. But I also got this egg. And some of you are going to think, oh, that looks more like a potato than it does an egg. You can probably see the wrinkles around it. And some of you go, ooh, I wouldn't want to eat that. Well, there's actually nothing wrong with the egg. What has happened is the chicken that laid this had a hard time laying it. When eggs are first laid, they come out a little bit softer, so it's easier for the chickens to lay. But this egg was a little bit big for that particular chicken, and it probably struggled for a while to get this egg laid. I don't know which chicken it is, but there's a chance that she could at some point get one stuck, and if I don't know it, it could actually kill the chicken. So I'm going to try to keep a watch out so that we have more eggs like this that's got the nice smooth shell instead of the one that's got the old wrinkled one. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of a potato, the way it looks. But this egg will be fine on the inside. It doesn't change anything at all.
So we're going to be moving around, Belle, in here with these goats and calves. So I got to get them all in here and get this door shut. Put some of the square bale hay in here to entice them. There we go. That good? Here, goats! Now we'll go on the inside. Shut that door. Mom's getting the tractor right now. Yeah. She'll push that in here. We'll go get some of them gates and we'll make like a triangle around it. Keep them goats from climbing up on it. And I'll get the tractor. I'll get something in here, get all this old stuff. And we'll go scatter it around where I've been clearing so grass will be growing next year. Then I might have to go find a goat because I don't see her, I don't hear her. Either she's back here grazing somewhere or something's not right.
Little muddy.
Good enough. Gotta get some of them gates. Now we're using these corral gates. Should be able to get their head in here all right. Be able to get the food. Alright, so we got 3. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna cut all this rope off there. Then we'll put this gate on there. Alright, so you see we got 3 panels on there. We're going to take a tarp, put it over top to try to keep some of that rain off of it, make it last longer. That should definitely help. They shouldn't have no problem getting to it. Go ahead and open up the doors. Oh yeah, you are in there.
Just getting tired of the animals wasting the hay, so that's why we're doing all this.
But like I said, it's not really waste because that's all going to turn into hay on back there, so it'd just be better if they actually ate more of it. What are you doing, Pebbles? Alright, so the other day, whenever we was doing this, it started pouring down rain really hard. And of course, this was up against the wall like this with this up, and rain was going down in there, and I didn't want to go in the stove, so I went ahead and I started turning it, thinking it would hold, you know, not actually fall. But it actually came unscrewed from here, and then landed and busted. Well, it didn't break it, but it bent it all to hell. And so got that fixed. Got them 2 together, so it's raining again, of course, so after it quits raining, we'll go up there and try to get it done as quick as we can.
Well, got the stovepipe in. Looks pretty good. Got to do a little of that caulking deal. Now the test comes. Put fire in the hole and see if she works. Well, you got it lit. Just open a damper for now. Little damper right there.
So there's a little smoke coming outside. We only got a little piece of cardboard in there, but I have yet to see any smoke in here, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put a few pieces of wood in here with some cardboard and see if we can make it smoke a little more.
Well, son, are you excited about your stove working?
Yep. Tickle pink.
Got to experience it with his father, which most people don't. Look there, we got smoke. That means it got hot. Somebody built a fire somewhere. Well, anyway, here it is, and there it was. Hope you enjoyed this video.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.